why buy new when you get a used phone? You have so many more options and you're not limited to what you can get. So if you want to get a cheaper phone for your kid or for a friend or family that's not really delicate and easy to fix and really inexpensive, that's a good thing to do too. Who wants to buy a $1,500 phone for their 8-year-old? I don't. I give them a starter phone. Maybe one that only costs $200 or $300. If they break it, it costs under $100 to fix it. That's my way to go. When you're buying a phone secondhand, buying a used one is better than buying a refurbished one. Refurbished means it was open and adjusted and parts were changed. A used one means it's original, but just used. If we sell a used phone, we make sure the battery health is above a certain percentage. Or if the battery is low, we'll actually change it and give a 1-year warranty on the battery and a 6-month warranty on the actual phone. That's how you know a phone is good, when someone gives you a warranty on a used phone. Who gives a warranty on anything used? No one, but we do. And most of the phones we sell are in mint condition. So all of our phones are tested, verified, certified, and warranted by us. And hey, we're here 7 days a week for over 10 years. If you have a problem, you know where to find us. We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. You're gonna wanna park outside the Cheesecake Factory, Uncle Julio's Mexican Restaurant, and Fogo de Chao. Walk straight inside, past Gloria Jean's Coffee, and we are directly under the escalator.